When I started trading, all I wanted was to make some cool lot of money instantly in the Forex market. So after blowing my $100, I'm blowing over $500. Then I still credit my account again and I blow over $1,000 in the process. Then I realized that making money in the Forex market is not a day job. It's not an overnight something. Forget about the social media hype that you've been seeing. Forex trading is really a process, right? So, and that got me to start following signals, which lead me to join so many signal communities, right? I even bought some signals, right, when I was coming up. But I find out that some signals really also help in blowing my accounts, because it's very, very important to know who is sharing the signal. Are they experts in the market, right? What is their track record? And even those that have a track record of making thousands and hundreds of dollars in the financial markets, these guys, I still follow their signals. But let me tell you something, they fail and failed and failed stuff. That means there's no one that is perfect in this market, right? You don't move the market. There are people that actually move the market. But I know one or two of you must have been doing the same thing, following signals. I don't know who is sharing your signals, but the signals which I have followed, man, I end up blowing my account. Instead of doing your analysis by yourself, you went and follow signals because you don't trust your analysis, right? There's no analysis or there's no strategy that is wrong in the financial markets, just that you didn't wait for the strategy to play out. But first and first, let's know what is Forex signal. Forex signals are trade recommendations given by analysis traders or automated bots, right? They usually tell you what to buy or sell, right, at what price and where to set your stop loss and take profits. So right now, most beginners believe that following signal is actually a shortcut to success. But let me tell you something, no signal has 100% win rates. So even the professional traders, right, lose trades. So everybody in the market lose trade. Even the banks lose trade. Even the big financial institutions lose trades, right? Even the big markets lose trade. So everybody lose trade. So at this point, right, you need to understand why you enter the markets and why you are not supposed to enter the markets. Why the trader asks you to place your stop loss at whatsoever level and take your profit at whatsoever level. You need to understand the time frame that you are supposed to enter the market. Is it 15 minutes time frame? Is it 5 minutes? This 1 hour time frame? Is it even a swing trade? Or you need to know all of this and combine with your own analysis if it will possibly go your way before you take the trade. So in that way, you might even minimize blowing your account. Another one is risk tolerance. Okay, for instance, the person that is sharing the signal might not tell you the lot size to use. Probably if the person sharing the signal is trading on $10,000 account, and while you as a beginner, you are trading on $100 account, where the $10,000 account will put his stop loss might not even be the same way you will put your stop loss. If he is putting stop loss of 50 pips, you should know that, okay, we are supposed to put a stop loss of 20 pips. Know your risk before you follow any signal. So another one is delay in execution. Delay in execution in such a way that you didn't enter the market when you are supposed to enter the market. You might enter late or you might enter faster. These two things can blow your trading account. And most of them, instead of showing you how to analyze the market, they prefer you buying the signal from them, right? If you want to be a successful trader, then you need to stay out from following signals. If you find value in the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and smash the like button. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out, guys.